Yan guys, na ilagay na namin guys yung Tremie pipe. Na may circulation na rin siya guys. Ito, panel number 19 yan, 600mm thickness guys. Okay? So yan, ilagay na namin circulation pipe. Ay yung submersible pump, electric. So yan ang may higop ng tubig, hindi lubagan doon sa Tremie pipe. Kasi ang Tremie pipe 10 meters. So nasa bottom siya guys. So may circulation hanggang sa ilalim. Yan guys, Tremie pipe installation is done already. So ngayon circulation na tayo, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. In between concrete will come for the day shift. Yeah. So the day shift will continue to pouring of the concrete for this panel 19 and panel 22. Okay guys, so this is our task or job this night. We have done, we did it already, so very well without this any problem. So the day shift will come, all panel is ready for concrete guys. So this is our job guys, finished. So panel 19 is ready for concrete, panel 22 is ready for concrete. See you guys tomorrow night again.